Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best heated stadium seats that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. AlphaCamp Stadium Seat Chair. The chair itself is well made, comfortable enough for long double-header games. The cup holder is a mesh bag that is very small, not even a regular-sized water bottle will fit in it, and it is just hanging on by a string. If this chair had an actual cup holder of some kind, it would be fantastic. Received this as a gift. Cushion seating is good. Love the arm and back rests. This chair has 2 hooks, not one like most stadium chair. That holds the chair in place with no sliding around on the bleachers. We go to a lot of our grandchildren's sporting events and the wooden or metal bleachers get pretty hard on the rear end. This is comfortable and gives my back support. It also happens that the colors are one of the grandchildren's school colors. I got this because I am always going to games and events at school and the bleachers are so uncomfortable. This chair is great. Love the pocket I can put my phone or program in and the cup holder. Love that I could get in our school and Gob Bulldog colors. At number 4. Power Pulse Technology Heated Cushion. Whether it is for the outdoor sporting, car, or an open stadium, this cushion will cater to all your needs. Therefore, keep you warm through those chilly days. A convenient sling around the cushion makes it even more convenient for you to carry this from place to place. Since the sling is attached to the side, it does not hurt or come in the way of your seat either. Because of the convenient zipper, battery access and removal becomes very easy as well. For charging, connect to any outlet and that's it. As a matter of fact, it rather is safe from catching any mildew or mold. Not everyone has the same preference. For that reason, this product provides you with a choice between 2 colors of black and camouflage. The battery can last for as long as 6+ hours for serving you all the warmth. You will be relieved to know that the cushion is out of water-resistant fabric. Thus, even if you spill your drink, or it is the morning dew, nothing can ruin your day. At number 3. Sportneer Stadium Seats. I was little skeptical of these non-traditional stadium seats but am very happy with them. They are not bulky or heavy and easy to throw over your shoulder. The back support has 6 to 8 settings for just about any situation. It has made the 5-hour band competitions much easier to sit through. These chairs are awesome for stadium seats or for sitting by the pool. My daughter even uses them for game night. The 6 positions are great. We like to be comfortable just like you. So we designed the Sportneer floor chair with a high-density polyester foam padding to get you through those riveting, hours-long games. You won't ever want to get up. The Sportneer Stadium seat has 6 reclining positions to choose from, allowing the highest degree of comfort to avoid pain in your back. At number 2. Cascade Mountain Tech Portable Folding Steel Stadium Seats. As you might guess by the title, I own a Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100. I was looking for a replacement seat that was better ventilated, had a sturdy backrest, and would elevate me about 4 inches. This stadium seat looked like it would work, so I ordered it, but I prepared myself for the inevitable modifications I would need to do to get it to fit. I just got it, and it fits perfectly. It sits flat on the existing seat with no mods. All I had to do was salvage the strap off of the old backrest to secure the seat along the front using the existing buckles. Attached this way, you can still easily fold the seat down. Folks, I've been through stadium seats and this Cascade Mountain Tech seat is the best I've bought, used. The construction is stronger than any I've had before, yet it isn't heavy to carry. This back and seat is comfy but sturdy. I've had seats you were afraid to lean back on. I am a big guy, and I've bent other seats, but this one holds me. Finally at number 1. AlphaCamp Oversized Camping Folding Chair. It sits high, which is good for the elderly or those who find it hard to get out of low-sitting chairs. I am only 5 foot 6 inches tall and it catches behind my knees, which is a little uncomfortable for me there, but my husband is 8 inches taller than me and it fits him fine. It is very roomy with a large seat, a medium-high back, and I think the storage area looks like it would be nice to keep cold drinks in as it looks insulated, or it could be a storage area for cell phones and car keys. We go to a lot of ball games since we have 3 grandsons now, and these will come handy for football, baseball, soccer games and car shows. I absolutely love this chair. The typical outdoor chair sags, which tends to lead to back pain and makes it difficult to get out of the chair. This chair sets straight, with no sag, and it is very sturdy, so it's easy to get out of. The chair is very comfortable to sit in. As you can see from the pictures, my dogs commandeered it for the camping trip. I love the size. I sit comfortably with a blanket and 1 or 2 dogs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.